Hi. This market has been rallying since quite some time. In last 5 to 6 months, we have seen significant rally in market. This was predominantly with an anticipation that the new government which would come would do a lot of reforms. And indeed, the election verdict did saw that what kind of majority this government got. Most of the rally is factoring in about the reforms which are going to happen in immediate future, and budget is just a platform for that. So I believe, though there would be some measures which would be announced in budget, don't expect very significant pre-budget rally from current levels in market. Implied volatility just before budget is still around 18 to 18 and a half levels. We are expecting this IVs to go to 21, 22 odd levels. This is a long expiry in lengthwise in terms of number of days. 31st July is the expiry date. So I think buying of options make a lot of sense rather than thinking of forming any short strangle or straddle in options. There's a lot of build up which we are seeing in 8,000 call option. Most of the participants have accumulated this call option, so don't expect that to be a resistance. But then if most of the people are buying a particular underlying, market may not oblige by making money in that underlying. So what we are suggesting is, market is still in a broader range. No doubt we are at all-time closing highs, but we are not significantly away from the range which we were witnessing in last few weeks, which is 7450 on lower side and 7700 on the higher side. So you're like 50-60 points higher from those levels. Generally, when such breakouts happen, you should see significant upside moves in market in lesser duration of time, which is not happening, which is suggesting that don't go very aggressive long. FIs are buying in cash market, no doubt, but in front of that they are selling in stock futures, which suggests that there's a lot of arbitrage activities happening. And index futures, they are not going long in significant manner, which also suggests that there is not immediate undercurrent which would come in market and take significantly higher. Don't short this market, don't go aggressive long, trade stock specific, and be light in this market at this juncture. That's the advice.